Hello friends, welcome to watch our channel. Today we will discuss one of an interesting topic. That is, when the Diwali Navratri festival comes, we all have a special beauty that lights up a good explosion and fireworks. How many we have colors? Do you know? Do you know when a subscriber gets into this channel, he becomes fully mad? We are going to watch this video and be mad. Press the bell button and then you will see all the video I am putting on you right away, and you need to know how this video have been explored. Don't worry, to create a chemical reaction of a large size of heat, light and sound. It's not like this thread, it's just a matter of time. It's like we are going to have keeping on watch this kind of vacant area, and now when I leave I am not going over it. It's going to be something else. It's like the eye that's going to have this sleep shelf. It's like another small screen on top of it. That's time used for a certain moment. The gunpowder that's there, the bus powder, and the place where they can be round with the paste. It's a big blast in the forest, and we will burn it like we told you how to do it. And the fire was going up with a lemon, and it was another unknown Bhaktai Vatsalam next door that exploded the gunpowder and made the plane scream. There's a doubt and how it can be shared in a different kind of explosion. It's not the same as the combination that can go. It's the kind of combination that needs to explode. The round is cut and done, and Kamal has to go to Sudha. And the year we have done the same sale as we need to do. We have seen how this explosion will explode so far. The reason to buy a chemical reaction is that metals can burn a color, and now let's see how this chemical reaction works. If you take sodium and show it to the fire, you will know the good yellow color. Let's see how a small apple can explode with a smiley face, that is a hammered on yellow-blue colored peacock. And you will see how a blast will explode with a little thread that looks like the one you said before. And then you have made a little hammered blue bar shell for the little hammered blue colored peacock. And then you have made it all go to a ghost. When the gunpowder that came out of the lamp and went up, there was no blue ball around what the little parrot would do. And the blue color balls would explode, and the yellow box around it would explode. It was just a practice of attention. It was just a matter of time. In this topic, Raxon is doing a video for something interesting like this. So type the comment, I'll make a video of it, and if everyone likes this video, like it, share it, subscribe it. Thank you for a good to see you again.